To sign up to the website as a subscriber, click here to sign up. Fill out the form below, your email, password, confirm password, select if you're a teacher or student, fill in your first and last name, and your nickname. And the nickname is mandatory because this will be part of the URL for your profile. Then you can select if you want to subscribe to our newsletter and special offers and click on Create Account. Now, before you will be able to log in, you will receive a confirmation link to your email, so please check your email, and if it's not in your inbox, check your spam. The email usually comes right away, but it may take up to 15 minutes. Once you receive the email, click on the link to complete the activation. Next, you will see the activation key typed inside, and all you need to do is click Activate. Then click on Login and use the email and password you used to create the account.